Next point is circles in a plane. Circle in a plane, we know that there are three types of circles in a plane. Number first is congruent circles. Number first is congruent circles. That is, if the radii of a circle are equal, then these two circles are called as congruent circles. Like this, we can consider this radius and we draw a circle. One circle, and this is the another circle. Okay, these two circles are congruent circles because radius of the circle, first circle CA, and radius of circle, second circle CB, which are equal, then these two circles are called as congruent circles. There is a one property, congruent circles. If the radii of the circle are equal, then these two circles are called as congruent circles. Okay, now next is, number first is congruent circles. Hello. Hello. Now next is concentric circles. Concentric circles. Okay. Now in this type, if the center of the circle is same, then these circles are called as concentric circles. Now suppose we can draw here first circle. इथंच घेऊया आपण. Number second, concentric circles. If the center of the circle is same, then circles are called as concentric circles. Now we consider here this center first, and we can draw a circle like this. This is the center. And next circle. Okay, these two circles, first circle here, this is the first circle and this is second. We can draw again infinite circles here. If the center of the circle is same, then these circles are called as concentric circle. Okay, and next type are intersecting circles. Next type is intersecting circles. Now circles intersect to each other internally or externally. If two circles intersect each other externally like this, this is the first circle and this is second circle. Okay, point of intersection of these two circles is the line segment. Suppose this is line L, this center C, this center D, and we can join these two centers. Okay, These two circles intersect each other externally. Okay, intersection point of these two circles is a line segment L, and which is perpendicular to this line CD, segment CD. Okay, the distance between two centers is equal to sum of the radii of the circles. Distance between two centers of the circles is equal to sum of the radii, that is sum of the radius. Here we can take 1 point cm plus radius dm. Cm plus dm is equal to distance between the centers C and D. Now second type is two circles intersect each other internally. We can draw a circle here again. This is the first circle. This is center of circle C, and we can draw another circle here. And this is the center of this circle, second circle. These two circles intersect each other internally, and the distance between these two centers is difference between the radii of the circles. दोन रेडियसच्या मधील जो फरक असेल तो काय असणार आहे, या दोन डिस्टन्समधील दोन सेंटर्समधील डिस्टन्स असेल किंवा अंतर असेल. ठीक आहे. अशा प्रकारे तीन प्रकारचे सर्कल्स आहेत. सर्कल्स इन अ प्लेन. फर्स्ट इज कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स, नंबर सेकंड कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स, and number third is intersecting circles. Okay, now we see next here in circle of a triangle. Next point is in circle of a triangle. Next point is in circle of a triangle. Now we see definition of in circle of a triangle. The circle which touches all the sides of a triangle, then that circle is called as in circle of a triangle, and center of the circle is called as in center of a circle. The circle which touches all the sides of a triangle, then that circle is called as in circle of a triangle, and the center of the circle is called as in center of a circle. We can draw a figure for this. First we draw a circle here. Then we can draw a triangle. One minute. आता येतो का आवाज? हाँ, ओके ओके चला. This is the triangle ABC, and this is a circle. In circle of a triangle, the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle, then that circle is called as in circle of a triangle, and this center is called as in center of a triangle ABC. Okay, now in circle the sides of a triangle are touches to the circle, and in center of a circle in center of a circle lies in the inside of a triangle ABC or any triangle. In center of a circle lies in a inside or interior part of the triangle. In each triangle, that is, if the triangle is acute angle, if the triangle is right angle, and if the triangle is obtuse angle. दिलेला ट्रायंगल जर acute angle triangle असेल किंवा right angle triangle असेल किंवा obtuse angle triangle असेल, लघुकोन, काटकोन आणि विशाल कोन, प्रत्येक ट्रायंगलच्या वेळी इन सेंटर कुठं असणार आहे? ट्रायंगलच्या मध्येच असणार आहे. ओके, इन सेंटर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल लाइज इन इंटेरियर साइड ऑफ एनी ट्रायंगल. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, circumcircle of a triangle. Next point is circumcircle. Circumcircle of triangle. Now here also we can draw a figure for circumcircle. Now we see here figure this figure. Now here triangle ABC, and definition of a circumcircle: circle passing through all the vertices of a triangle, then that circle is called as circumcircle of a triangle, and the center of the triangle is called as circumcenter of a triangle. Center is called as circumcenter of a circle or circumcenter of the triangle. And there are three properties in this circumcircle. Number first is circumcircle of a triangle passes through all the vertices of a triangle. Number second is circumcenter of an acute angle triangle. Circumcenter of an acute angle triangle lies in interior or inside of the triangle. Circumcenter of an acute angle triangle lies inside of a triangle. And number third, circumcenter of a right angle triangle lies on the midpoint of hypotenuse. Circumcenter of right angle triangle lies on the midpoint of hypotenuse. And number fourth is circumcenter of obtuse angle triangle lies in exterior of the triangle. Okay, these are four properties for circumcircle. Definition of circumcircle is circumcircle passing through the all vertices of a triangle is called as circumcircle, and the center of the circle is called as circumcenter of the triangle. Okay, now next part is tangent and secant to the circle.